Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Howard Sunhaya, and today on my YouTube channel we're going to be talking about how to find the volume in a cone. Now, as we progress our little segment in geometry, and as we start to wrap up finding volume and area, we're going to end up with a cone. Now, a cone you can see anywhere. Um, it's essentially a curved triangle, or sorry, it's two curved triangles making a circular base and meeting at a point. And to find the volume, we use this formula. Uh, we multiply pi times the radius squared, and we multiply that by the height that's been divided by 3. And you'll see how that plays here in just a second as we solve this first example. But before we do that, please take a moment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell on the right to get daily notifications of all my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So here we have our cone, and we have a height and we have a radius. Now the height over here is shown from the tip to the base, right? And the radius is from the center of the circle to the outermost, to the outside, right? And it could be anywhere. It could be from here to here. It could be from here to here. It just has to be from the center to some point in the edge. Now, this H. Okay. So now we have 4 as our height and 3 as our radius. So just like I said in the previous videos, we're going to now plug those into our equation, or excuse me, plug those into our formula to get our answer. And let's do that now. So we have pi, right? Pi multiplied by the radius squared. Our radius is 3. So, oh, excuse me. Sorry. So 3 squared, and then the height divided by 3. Now the height is 4. We'll divide that by 3. And now you can use a calculator, but I like to simplify it first, just, because. We have pi 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9, 4/3. Now you can use a calculator to check your answer. Okay guys, so we're back, and now we're going to our answer. You should have gotten 37 point, and then you should have gotten a long decimal, but just round it to the nearest tens and call it 37.7. And that's what you shouldn't have gotten as your volume for this cone, and that is right. So let's move on to the next equation. Okay guys, we're back with our second example. And in this one, we're going to do the exact same thing, just plug in different numbers. So let's go ahead and do that. Now the point of me doing this over and over again, and like I do in my other videos, is because math is like muscle memory, or doing it with a formula is like muscle memory. When you see a question on your end of grade test and it says, find the volume of this cone, and you see 2 numbers, you're going to automatically think, oh, this formula, boom, I already got the answer. That's the point. When you keep doing over and over and over again, you get practice. This is all practice, guys. That's why we keep doing it over and over again. So let's plug in our numbers and get our answer. So we have pi. Our radius is 2 squared, and our height 5 divided by 3. Now we're going to just simplify this. 2 squared is 4, and then 5/3. Now you can use a calculator to calculate your answer. Okay guys, so once you do it on the calculator, you should have gotten an answer of 20.9. Simplified, of course. 20.9. That is your answer. Let's move on to our final example. Okay guys, we're back. And now we're going to do our last example for the day. So, like we did in the past 2 previous examples, we're going to plug in our numbers into this formula and get our exact answer. So let's do it. So we have our 7 as our height, 4 as our radius, and we're going to plug them in for those. So we have pi multiplied by 4 squared, and then that multiplied by 7/3. And we use our calculator, of course, to find this, because you want to get an exact answer, not an approximate answer, of course, after simplifying. Okay guys, and you should have gotten an answer of 107 17.3. That gives us our volume. Well, friends, that has been a video of me finding the volume of a cone. If you like this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And please hit the like button to share this with your friends. Until next time, I'm Harutun Harian. Keep on learning, kids.